Welcome to Uparts. This is the second in a series of tutorials that will teach you how to navigate and use Uparts. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the website overview. When you first log into Uparts, you will be taken straight to the production dashboard. On the top, you can use the navigation bar to move to various parts of the website. In the Orders tab, you can view all the orders and keep track of them. In the Shop Profiles section, you will be able to edit settings related to your shop, including editing the name, the address, the city. Check out the roster to see all the users that can log in to your shop's profile. You can also manage your preferred suppliers. We group suppliers by type. Notice that the aftermarket suppliers are in the aftermarket section, and the recycled suppliers are in the recycled section. If you want to add a new supplier, simply move over and click Create New. Let's add California Mini Truck. If you have a preferred salesperson, you can go ahead and select them under Contact. Jim takes care of all my orders. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click the Save button to add it to your suppliers.